Welcome to a masterclass in spatial problem solving. In modern residential architecture, especially in urban environments or tight suburban developments, we are often faced with a beautiful home that possesses absolutely zero usable front yard. You step out the front door, and within 3 feet, you are on the sidewalk or the driveway. When ground space is practically non-existent, traditional landscaping goes out the window. But a lack of soil does not mean a lack of impact. Today we are exploring the highly curated world of high-impact container flower gardens, designed specifically for ultra-small entryways. We will discover how to completely transform the immediate architectural threshold of your home, turning a cramped, sterile stoop into an unforgettable, upscale arrival experience. The most common mistake homeowners make when dealing with a tiny porch is buying tiny pots. The logic seems sound: small space, small decor, but visually, a collection of small pots simply looks like clutter. It makes a tight space feel even more cramped and chaotic. To create a high-end curated look, you must do the exact opposite. You need to go massive. A single, monumental planter or a perfectly scaled symmetrical pear acts as a powerful architectural anchor. By deliberately choosing oversized containers that intentionally take up a significant portion of your limited square footage, you project confidence. Massive planters command respect and instantly signal that this entrance is a highly designed, intentional space. It is a bold, counterintuitive design secret that completely elevates the perceived value of the home. When working within a restricted footprint, the materials you choose are scrutinized up close. To maintain an upscale, modern aesthetic, we must abandon cheap plastics and overly ornate ceramics. The foundation of this look relies heavily on 2 finishes: matte black and raw concrete. Matte black is the ultimate sophisticated neutral. It absorbs light, creates a sleek silhouette, and acts as a dark void that makes the vibrant colors of your botanicals intensely pop. It pairs flawlessly with warm modern wood doors or classic white siding. On the other hand, raw, board-formed concrete introduces incredible texture. It has an industrial, brutalist weight that feels permanent and monumental. Concrete brings a cool, stony gray tone that softens the transition from the hardscaping of the driveway up to the threshold of the home. Both materials are unapologetically heavy and modern, providing the perfect canvas for lush, cascading flowers. With your massive containers in place, the floral arrangement must be executed with precision. In a zero-ground space garden, the planter is the entire landscape, so it must perform flawlessly. Landscape architects rely on a proven formula: the thriller, the filler, and the spiller. The thriller is your bold, sculptural centerpiece. This is an architectural plant that shoots straight upward, providing dramatic height and structure. Think of a striking agave, a spiky purple fountain grass, or a tall snake plant. The filler bridges the gap, consisting of mounding, colorful blooms that create a dense, lush mid-layer like vibrant petunias or rich, dark euchera. Finally, the most crucial element for a high-impact container is the spiller. These are the trailing vines, creeping jenny, silver falls dichondra, or cascading ivy that violently pour over the sharp edges of the concrete or matte black steel. The spiller softens the heavy architecture of the pot and makes the arrangement feel wildly abundant and alive. When square footage is limited, we must design upward. Using varied planter heights is a brilliant way to maximize visual impact without eating up valuable floor space. Tall, tapered square or cylindrical planters draw the eye vertically, making the low porch feel grander and more expansive. If symmetry isn't your style, an asymmetrical cluster is incredibly chic. Grouping a tall cylinder, a medium cube, and a low bowl together in a tight corner creates a dynamic, multi-level landscape in just a few square feet. This staggering of heights allows you to layer different plant textures and colors, creating a miniature, self-contained jungle that feels massive, despite occupying a tiny footprint. Having a tiny entryway is not a limitation. It is an invitation to be highly selective. By focusing all of your design energy on the immediate architectural threshold, you can craft a breathtaking first impression. Embrace the power of massive scale. Invest in premium materials like matte black steel and raw concrete, and master the art of cascading sculptural botanicals. You do not need a sprawling front lawn to make a statement. With a few perfectly curated containers, you can redefine your home's curb appeal and welcome your guests with undeniable luxury. Thank you for exploring the art of spatial design with us.